Hello everyone, today's menu will be keto cottage pancakes. They are light, tasty, and perfect with fresh berries. Plus, they will keep you full. So if you're ready, let's get flipping. In my medium bowl, I'm going to crack in 1 egg at a time. And then after that, I'm just going to whisk it away. Now I'm just going to add in the cottage cheese. And then I'm also going to add in the Psyllium husk. And also the monk fruit sweetener. And some ground cinnamon. And also heavy cream. You can use half and half if you prefer. And then go ahead and give it a nice whisk to combine. You will want to let it sit for about 10 minutes so it can thicken up before using. Preheat your griddle to 300 degrees. You can use a non-stick skillet if you don't have a griddle. I already added some butter and I'm using a 1/4 cup to scoop out the batter. You will want to cook this side until it's nice and golden brown before flipping. It's been about 2 minutes. I'm going to flip it and cook the other side for another 2 more minutes. After 2 minutes, they are ready to be removed, and continue the same process until all of your batters are gone. Here is the end results of the keto cottage pancakes. I hope you'll give this a try. The measurements are in the description box down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you will get my latest videos. Bye!